Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the indicators on the FxPro Trading application. So first of all, you need to simply launch your FxPro app. Over here, tap on the option of trade. Then you just have to select the instrument over here in which you want to basically add the indicator. After selecting it, you are going to see these types of options over here, but you will notice that there is no indicator option available. So we need to first of all enable that. So you need to simply go on the home page. Now tap on your profile icon on the top left hand corner, then tap on the option of trading settings. Over here, select the option of trading chart, and then you need to basically switch it from FxPro native to trading view. Now when this is done, you need to again go to the trade and again launch the chart. Now this time you are going to see the indicators option here on the top. So you just have to simply tap on the indicator, and now you need to search for the indicator that you want to set. So let's say I want to set the volume indicator over here. So I'm going to select the volume indicator, and as you can see, now this indicator is available over here. Now if you want to basically remove this indicator, you need to go again in the indicator section, and again you need to search for the indicator, and then you can just simply select it and you can remove it from here. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.